Hello CIS scholars, welcome back for the math session. Today we are going to start with the new topic ordering numbers up to 1000, page number 71. So let's start. Ascending order. What is an ascending order? When we arrange numbers from the smallest to the biggest, the order is called ascending order. We will arrange the number from the smallest to biggest, then it is known as ascending order. I'll explain you with some examples. So let's see. Arrange the given numbers in ascending order. Your first number is 851, 758, 952. What we have to do is, we have to first find the smallest number and write it first. So find the smallest number. Here it is 851, 758, 952. You all will look at the 100 place value of each number. Here it is 8, here it is 7, and here it is 9. So which is the smallest number? That's correct, 758. Now we have to find the smaller number from the two numbers left. So here this number is left, that is 851 and 952. So which is the smaller number? 851 or 952? Look at the 100 place value. That's correct, 851. Now the biggest number will be left because we have written 758. We have also written 851. So the number which is left is the biggest number, 952. Now let us see another example. 478, 512, 356. What we have to do is, we have to find the smallest number and write it first. So look at the 100 place value of each digit. Here in 478, the place value of 100 here is 4. In 512, the place value is 5 at 100 place. And here in 356, 3 is at 100 place. So which is the smallest number? That's correct. That's 3. So 356, it's your first number. Now we have to find the smaller number. So the two numbers which are left, we have to find from that. Here it is 478 and here it is 512. So which is the smaller number? 478. Now the biggest number will be left because we have written 356. We have also written 478. The number which is left is 512. That's the correct answer. Now let's move to the next slide. Arrange the given numbers in ascending order. 459, 654, 523. You all will look at the 100 place value. So here it is 4, in this number it is 6, and here it is 5. So find the smallest number. That's correct, 4 is the smallest one. So we will write this number 459. Now we have to find the smaller number from the two numbers which are left. So here it is 654 and here it's 523. So the number will be, what will be the number? 523. Now the biggest number will be left. We have written 459. We have written 523. So the number which is left is 654. Now let's move to the next slide. Ascending order we have done. Now we are going to do descending order. What is a descending order? When we arrange numbers from the biggest to the smallest, the order is called descending order. In ascending order, we used to arrange the number from smallest to the biggest, but in descending order, we will arrange the numbers from biggest to the smallest. I'll explain you this with some examples. Arrange the given numbers in descending order. So let's see the numbers. 623, 965, 703. Look at the 100 place value of these numbers. Here it is 623, that is 6 is at 100 place. In 965, 9 is at 100 place. In 703, 7 is at 100 place. We have to find the biggest number and write it first. So which is the biggest number? That's correct. 965 is the biggest number. Now we have to find the bigger number from the two numbers left. One is 623, another one is 703. So which is the bigger number? 703. Okay. Now the smallest number will be left. We have written 965. We have written 703. So the smallest number is 623. Now let's see another example. 457, 452, 145. Okay. Look at the 100 place. In 457, here at 100 place, the number is 4. In 452, at 100 place, the number is 4. And here at 145, at 100 place, the number is 1. But if you look carefully, here at 457 and 452, both the number have the same number at 100 place. So now I will look at the tens place. So in tens place, in 457, the number is 5. And in 452, at tens place, the number is also 5. So now what can be done? So I will look at the ones place. Here it is 7 and here it is 2. So now out of these three number, which is the biggest number? 457. Now two numbers are left. One is 452, one is 445. Out of these two, the number which is bigger is 452. And now the smallest number will be left, because we have already written 457, 452, and the last will be 145. Now let's move to the next slide. 120, 321, 254. Look at the 100 place. In 120, 1 is at 100 place. In 321, 3 is at 100 place. and in 254, 2 is at 100 place. So which is the biggest number? That's correct, 3. So 321 is the biggest number. Now I have to find the bigger number from the two numbers left, that is 120 and 254. So which is the bigger number? Look at the 100 place. Here it is 120 and here it is 254. So the number is 254. And now the smallest number will be left, that is 120. Now let's move to the next slide. Let's practice. Students, here are the questions. Arrange the given numbers in ascending order. I have given you two questions and arrange the given numbers in descending order. Here also there are two questions. So you will practice these questions so that it will be clear to you. That's all for today. Thank you.